stop! Ah! Ah! Get it off! Get it away! Stop! Every one of you, I hate you all. Oh my God! Oh my God, that was so scary. That was so scary. Don't. Where is it?
Its head's cut off.
No, you're right. I don't like it. But there's that way.
That's all rocks. From Indian kids. No, we can talk to each other and some stupid. You're probably still drunk. Over the gap where the top left burner would be. Yeah, you're fine. Oh!
I've heard of this.
With this phone.
Dude, that sounds awesome. Think more. Oh, that's wow.
There's a rock there.
I guess I shouldn't be surprised.
Got it on camera.
Your arms go left.
Lean forward. Just lean forward.
I'm getting cold.
6:30?
That's not too bad though. Like 10 in the morning to 6:30, not that hard.
But I usually do it.
Come on, friends, ready? Y'all get ready? Y'all get ready?
That looks like it hurts already.
Gina is a professional, ladies and gentlemen.
She's done this before, clearly.
Maybe. I'm getting dizzy. Making sure you stay. I think that's pretty good.
Oh my God.
That seems about right.
My spaghettios up.
Why would you grab it? Oh my God.
Oh my.
Gina, don't stop. Oh my God, he said don't stop. He said don't stop.
It's moving.
Stop.
It's moving. It's moving.
Bug it? Kind of bug it?
Don't touch it. Don't touch
Oh, where is it?
It's up there. It's by your head.
Stop. Oh, get it off. Get it away. Stop. Fuck you guys. Stop that thing. Oh my God.
It has a tail that'll
Cash,
sting you.
don't.
You grab,
Don't.
It's got a tail, it'll sting me.
Cash, don't.
No, she already talked me out of
What
it.
is that?
I don't know. Get it away. Get it away.
Kill it.
Oh my God, you guys are
Kill
bitches.
it.
Every one of you, I hate you all. Oh my God. Oh my God, that was so scary. That was so scary. Don't. Where is it?
Its head's cut off. It's dead.
It's
It
got
was so cute. What do you
This happened very quickly. I grabbed the bug off of his thing and put it up
My
there.
ass is
She's screaming for 5 minutes straight.
I'd be had it.
It's so cute.
All right, we got to get a picture.
It's got to be whiskey.
It might be.
Wisconsin!
think I'll join.